Hello agus fátaí hiic na seanslia mas maidin seans an waú glaciad na seanslia is mise Hugh McGill cheada agus tá stúcaí leis an achlas céim foioi a dhéanamid seo ag an bricfast nar nachfuil mar ite go fáil ó I can almost smell an imig an air an fálam hí stéire. Anyway, ní hééis sin an rud táhachttaí Tá an seo marscra lemuid cóleachaí lemuid chuide ar dúspáir tá seo le ainehhuiir aine go dtí mar plant.
Well, sílam go dusíntas a ahad agrannis le garan fi ru igen so
What?
all right.
No,
Either
well,
bín tú tarsa no okrach no shucky.
tá má cas le Bobby. Tá má just
Yeah.
I just be torture faoi ein rud and it just to Gary ein size sasu. And speaking of a man who loves any kind of sasu, tá má seo fásta le James ó Florida. James, Jimmer that too.
Which either way, yeah. I think my father can seach sa cin morning person ruteis. Yeah, sprá. Agus má really fá seach sa vís an version dúirtúa go agus toast ví go at breakfast. You absolute child, you. Come on, like expand.
Expand. Nachhfuil ein acai bowls ag lí hartar an teach. Nah, Neil ein, and Brahan, nah, the 17 different types of oat is the in fucking Brahan or whatever. Like, come on, just rud bread simply. Get ein vibe alone.
Tá sé éisi hééis like oh man, just was chosad. Tá mó like Instagram search nit na just like Rudy Lay Bailey, like as in like breakfast alone, doing
Oh yeah.
all this meal prepper there.
Protein.
Agus go on baked oats, man, top notch.
Yep.
Right, so my in a baked oats, like protein powder, chocolate, burgundy, teller, peanut butter was here, as we unbelievable. And then like Homanoon ag muinte response of like, oh yeah, so that my breakfast in this. She's like, raw. Kifog to get you cocker lehi breakfast. So I'm like, well, me cocked on just oats cooked it
Um,
on. So you should like yeah, I don't think you're going anywhere like a gym, hey Shin. So you might like I had to break down like could I be actually on?
oh my
Like
God.
Long calories is stinging.
calories just really answer.
Ag baked oats. Actually just dense galore like calories, no?
Like shake it.
Come on.
No, yeah.
Well,
You get
they're not the lads.
you
With their
get
good
you
metabolism.
get 2,200 a day. Like that's not even a third. You
I
eat three
mean,
meals.
Tá mis
James.
an nós céine lása dó de tá mé buinsolt as bheith
Mm.
morning person inis, like tá mé nétosú denna yoga, tá mé reformer Pilates, is bralam like areas mo leor leos coffee yoga man imagine, like quiet time at on sílam, just the chain got ain in a Christahart, kan jassy in her chifels durkas like lamp book Christian and
Mm-hmm.
just bit of cruum cracking in it, it's bralum is bralam and
Should
Thompson done law. So
it should
you
words
like
in this.
Shaw Trumley Hugh.
It showed an emoji ringe na nails. It showed that we're
Like
slaying the water, you know?
Tá si fó seán. I actually can't even get over this whatever. Tá má tenne
most of
much
these China
I
flower.
fós in each kind tá much
Breithlá.
tá much genú ar go Pilates ar mátin agus a gíí suas leis a lampa bug agus tá
Well,
jód agam agus tá se
my
gan
Kindle bug.
my Kindle. And Jake got to venue do so. Charted to gas la reformer Pilates because I feel like there's or on darn Instagram scale. Ogum sa fwy leher. It's just
Hmm.
the being like I'm in my reformer Pilates era. I was like I don't care that all I see is yoga mats. Ni asum care that actually a gash lash.
So
No. I
no
just
shin
thought
floor Pilates nor tattoo agus
Oh,
a yoga mat. But
Jesus
reformer
Christ.
passer machine a good agus tá se a like free springs agus a carriage a scene to an carriage and basically úsáidan tú like láideach the éagsúla den tú níos dúláni the chain is brewing to a hiúil tú hain on carriage and stuff and pose ní éagsúla. But an rud is Jackrathly na tá tú tensed don uirc le gomlan go tú sarang sin caihí tú bheith or else rahi and carriage like snána tú. So caihí tus of any slodger an carriage on the springs sin. So that to really third work out the chain. Dirt and vanity ganas to say that's all Harvey humbling the Gwini Hainig and Jim. Marshall
Oh.
and she they're like, oh, I'm fish, Tamish lodger, and it's that the goose had mata nach news had jo real like bhí mochor níomh nach gonne ceir lá an éon céad rang. But bíar like rang introductory and mai me go sé ar dantra man bhfuil clachtú agad ar an machine. Just caiitún technique a bheith gart a gut and stuff. But tá sé is bralumse, mar ní mailm really go an gym, ní rud é joch am clé leis, so tá me sil go dún clé seo.
Brandon cos like an 18th century sex machine.
You wish you could read torture chamber, but yeah, glocking less sex machine faster, James.
You know.
Bit of
Little
both.
bit. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Depends on Kira Honey last.
Yeah. Whatever floats your goat.
But is rud é go mra wadní sfarige. Mar tá sé cos le yoga níl an like cohormécht céine ag lads. Cos tá sé like fui an cohormécht gan like titrum mar hiáán no just on center of gravity an táta gonne Pilates. So like lad really struggled.
Bod níos hisse I gera oring because tá like a competitive is Thomas. Because
oh my god, the cartoon tá Virginia or Virginia wrong reformer Pilates. Sin an dúlan.
God, Genie, sorry, there was just a Gurkha couple in the pick stuff for former Pilates and Shaw.
I think an Arcan Chinese scanner le Natasha.
Well, the kid like is to ban the Cossack sa rock or whatever, and their legs akimbo feel it's like like bun skin, Aaron Rudd.
Well, they must just snatched when Namgo and Moana on Melina, so.
Kurt, what if I locked in Fosta?
Pilates princess. Oh my god, Sauli. Higlin the gains a hash fun take vanish. If that's a goona kayak mine.
I was gonna say Let Bally Trees and Rudd, it's the bodybuilding section. It's like ahan thing and just miss a flex on much abs or my rippling abs.
Bubble butt good.
Yeah, to hun BBL la in banish shin flan. It glorified koshery all war. The Tissa ag kosher breithlá go deir seachtainge aine agus ní raibh héana agus James don dul, but Dirk shot dách ratchet, so dús bar breithlá hána the root atá trocha. Fair play to Khalid. But Dirk and kosher dách ratchet. I think it's put every like ahan 30th ela facum, it's kind of put it to shame. Or it's like it was like a proper killer root.
Yeah, vi ska na banish.
Thanks.
James, you're to Ain Rudd. You're the fucking tada. Niaka Mahu o V230 gefallen. Yeah. I was really at the end of a chatting shot. I'm fucking not Aussie shite channels.
Pretty sure their keller at James was Pianta agus croissant a Steve Hub.
Yeah, agus to be honest, like fucking perfect. Like
yeah.
Agus my brand in NFL, agus my like Josh go hauling that sinna he's like it's hundred, dus my like níl mar siú trí numas tí mar labo hé seo, is just ideal. But yeah, you know.
Sean.
Hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Go just leis na Seahawks and the Patriots, by the way, just to ugly girl. Just the butcher bay a Gurkha Super Bowl. But sorry, in this doing this we an kosher shot because a race like it just feels like Gurkha or level Gahillis go home on different and stuff with the fact gum rivet kosher yella.
Yeah. Maar din méid am jahar girl me ag 30th. Bhí sé chur gléchar der me only map to fraggart and then chur me fi an. He was like, just crush rash. What the hell? Sinrad go mis smid ní hen like as in like an iirecht a chur root agus chilas a ki ista sin ócad seo bhí sé do grete. So chuúmod star dús as bhí like ní rom fiús bhríomh siomra, bhí siomra eile. Like ar an tío as bhí sort drinks reception an sin, bhí Brendan cara eile le root a casú fidgel, bhí ahan an gléisús gúní a the suits, like bhí rairc de cashnan waliaha trum, bhí sé an glamorous. And then chuimi seo ag an príomh siomra as bhí sé cos le banish, cos le dinner dance bhín urlár dawsa, bhí like tábí ceirclacha, bhí cuin le mhóra, bhí put balloons a hanach, bhí photo wall, bhí Bhí státe, bhí slideshow, picture doing na ligan áide, an cute. Agus, yeah, from much bia, bhí DJ an, agus bhí much a dawsa don ihe like. Bhí speeches rinne tiismóirí seci óradí agus an sin rinne Ruth óradí hain. An sin rinne Ruth, cum leiscail, rinne Ruth Oran solo le hi hain when she Dreams by the Cranberries.
Banger.
And sin bhí dawsúir Paraguayan an a bhí chur budgeal ar cleigean saki agus a chuineal narja. Bhí goodie bags, like party bags, rud nach uair mé ó bhí bheith picture Jamie na díis. Shanita, it's just full Jane to leave. I did brála bheag le mil seaidistí, and we were like, yes! Bhí caca ban jarrog an ardan, bhí sé lig do chreite, like rinne si iirecht ulwer. Why me grow my garker like a dark root cusla grow run cartki vet a pageant. If you gar cusl bon frinsa, like dolled up to the nines. Yeah. But oh god. Ulwer as vi glor cardalin oh hail na gael gan. As quinny cohex vi currig James as Hugh just.
Yes. Well, your own mission on dull to our job. But yeah, just Dirkshire just like unbelievable. Like
yeah.
Like obviously I can each womannish. I don't know how to shop jar at Bay Magic Dull Hig Awadis Mo 30th inish. La Tamil sorry, AV Arts and Áine, you're like, don't remind me. I guess me. Oh, we're grand. How much whole fresh faced. Whole god. But like I just mow him like, you know, in their car in their active 30th, it's like, you know, kind of like grad kosher. But you can any rodig and thing egg and rolling out like size fast to da whatever. But we're in level Shane. We should just Dirkshire absolutely special to if it's a really like ro ein like hint or Harby Gamecha or nose or in Kilda and level Shane of party.
Yeah, ví gom girl over the gan mar sin a chat ach vi si ragger surprise vi an glor then ni roskum go si gan canu ni roskum singur luisi go ro oraji go bheith an ach just near hig me bidder an level de irocht a bheith chusta ag winter seki like vi mom's dadski dausli don ihe umlan vi mahar bash seki na balloons agus na hornaji agus 100 díana as bhí like the bhecha sin bhí iireacht ulwer genta bhí like airse genta de like crin agus sulse sa hala idir an da homer like caithfidh go ghlach sé or an tír hí sin ana just an level iireacht
agus James can what's going on your go immersion in ish da 30th I know just even though go to Peaceburg Mall I think go fall am a good lay brother Curly Kelly, you know.
No. No, Ralcha intoch má dó agus like chraike rudí vín ag nó go sin íocht like teús go order rudí go lá like rudí really dasa but yeah I don't know we should just kinning sásta mu 30 fe just kiún go má agus just kinning just doch and then go wala agus like chulna go humlan difriúil but bevar lumsig bheith ballí ag óáid mar hin ná body ócas mar hin ná bheith hóstal ócas mar hin, if you get me.
Yeah.
Like bheith gol ag rudí mar hin.
Oh yeah.
A bheith hóstal, so I think bin ácha vín sem so. Yeah, drochúr bhí sé hís ag garú bhí ócas am hain chun chuimnachán Martin Anthony O'Cohan, so sé fiche blian imihir clean féine in Satanseo, so bhí an cumir sin eng, so drochúr sin fá chuach brella. But bhí me brandú stories chudó bhí me group chat agus chonig me agus bhí brandú absolutely huge mental lá le crack like agus I think bin chudó wat ná duna cosís a percent of root go.
Oh, sinna rud bhí an
like an explosion of her personality.
Yeah. Yes.
Which was really diabolical. So
yeah. Just like Shin Ruth, Dirk mar sin, like she just go unapologetically Ruth. Like oh me any home like, oh yeah, Ruth. Like Ruth just Nero. Yeah, vi ina arm, but Nero ina arm, do you know? Mission goes. Mars Cart, Dirk and Doigroshi Ayeri.
Jimmer ví a hud daus salsa go dé mar bhí de rotún an couple step dhéanú agus tú ag
Is cuilumm Ryan Stephanie anu le Joe Carl den fod Curlew tá is cuilumm rinne me get ná ní le go sé dar se Hí me gur se ínta ag an but I don't know chance da gur hí be ru grow just Ryan muí go on gin and tonic if bhí me
Jesus Christ.
Well, can't do for real. Like, is salsa the main is Hugh in a stach.
Oh yeah.
Duration banish like so.
Look, maar dirt may stop joking about this because I'm really actually geary routine now. Ní chael cai should finish for thing in it because there's really a tease on nurture.
Like you see, should have go to toilet. The ship go see she's in reception. I guess to go to a head table. Like since like cup of numa could see all the stada. Tom Haynes Hugh just got British stach a law on a shumra. I guess in salsa, you know. Like the chin see she's. I guess like show more in it. So technically. It's Agam Haynes Hugh as the first dance.
Yeah. Just
make sure she goes to the Victoria Beckham.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yes.
Well, Maureen come on like my Yerin Ship Shane go my Haynes go she like Game of Thrones and actually taking the jousting tournaments.
Oh my God.
As been my Haynes killing just like entertain us.
Dance for me.
Puppets dance.
Just clushy too, and you know an announcer or strictly just being like now dancing the Paso Doble. It's
But it's just Tulsa Gurney and
now dancing.
Well, in fairness now, Wayne Birdsong is Hugh Muhammadan celebrity. So I hope that Gapadini commission professional.
Sorry, yeah, no, it's Virginia Posh and Bex na Gael that Michigan's James. That is the ten scale shit fucking
like. I know. Bear Mark Anthony and Vanish so.
Oh well, of course, yeah, absolutely. Because by Mark Anthony to the Vanish and then like lock up like the Hush Tush Murray Haynes so they don't then try to do and run.
No fear.
No, with the kitchen, no, the kitchen that knock me she.
It's Ernie, this photo art.
True, absolutely. It's just, oh my God, like just crazy. But no, the Dirkshaw Doc Ratchet, I was like, and Kelleru, I'd say they're much in Paraguay, as much in the hair, and like we should just whole solar la facal. I was probably the so hot as whole solar la facal the castle at the avion because I'd say grow like. Ich imagine a couple of things aku.
Oh yeah, yeah. But vi Kara, so vi Kara tanga on Ortaku.
Wow.
Any hillig. So nar yenach mud like labra has some of that sure just nar vi mhóra di lorshid in ahantanga so vi Gaelge, Spanish, Berla, agus vi Guarani is tanga indigenous in Paraguay. So ni like Sheelam galore and could is mo the going Paraguay and tanga show kamai. Nobody sort blended their Spanish as Guarani. So yeah, we Cara Tanga. We should not cool, you know, just the culture like Kayla. Just we blend my like we Pana Paraguayans go jazz like as cardio like as Landa crack jarfuck Spalova dausa as we wouldn't have Marangena, we Nagoil dear Marangena. So yeah, dear Brisha. And Gin and Macarena like Kayla and earlier dausa could have been worse.
Chemisch was got the country Victoria Beckham which was to be honest your clue answer could was got and he's not good at
the clue here the Victoria Beckham basically Vichy a dausa heart in doi narcart dabe well also the nyart with the like Darlo apparently but Ken the Ruddy Tajerha is that groshi a dausa in doi inta inappropriate as in Fakko dirt shot I think about or like Igbanish Brooklyn niggas
but honey yeah, not walking to show James. The Coney free clock. We said, the
jokes really, but like
her Brooklyn statement in Arja, raw Nakro Shaggy, you know, Winterby Vegel and a Hlan Nismo as a Nachwin lock there around Kayla and just go in the Tishmori Coke, like good will nerd and smack the goo and Godagan and Brand the
vibes. Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
Godagan and Brand the Beckham, Riv Rudabiella, Riv Gra, Riv. Now, God knows Care Day and Irna, but Durcha Egamanish. Basically, Queen Mark Anthony and Arja Lesh Kids and First Dance Akanu is Durche, can the most beautiful woman come up on stage right now? And then Durche, Victoria. So ri ban chéile Brooklyn a hiúla cuiinú. Cos an DJ dúrcné Atmas as certain sunry breise seo a hurt.
Oh my
So
God.
Glaze most beautiful woman in the room and then Victoria get up.
Like
So
Riven
then
first dance faster, wasn't it?
yeah, and then I think Robert Mark Anthony like put your hips into it or something, or put your hands on his hips or on your mom's hips or something. So like it's not beidir gro shishigiri of Emmy Martian, but Shina doi grown dausa. So for Shishin first dance le Maxaki Shack is Bangalis like
But will Rutkins own go like brand the Van Kayla version? Isn't that a family kind of brand version that pelts or something?
Oh, no.
Beidir, eh? Now Neil and Ayrton are also come stuff when Danish show just honey men rotches and honey ma and John Scotcha and I was like, oh juicy. But I'm not an expert. Nissan only mayor in the Beckhams.
You're not locked in.
It's like a
I don't.
friggin' Netflix documentary Elfie. So that's what we're getting.
Oh, bloody hell.
Yay!
Yeah, can anihin. Vi me Russian by Brooklyn as an Van Kayla now by Clar fashionista Egan Fuhu.
Telling my story.
So KV's more Victoria Beckham make the breithlá. That's what he's saying.
Hugh.
Obviously. Can the most beautiful woman come up on stage? Hugh Carr.
Hugh Carr.
Agus lema wujal mochin an nos and dausar on Paraguay beyond.
Honestly, off you go. You do you.
I think this is just Gary
Drama.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Dausar are those like we're your circus monkeys. Agus
Pardon me, joke Sean kai mu like hand occur Irish because le jokers vegol heart, Bishop Sirks mar puppy diogam donihe.
Oh my God.
Well, like in long lost, like bridesmaids and that go eventually go Romain as Hugh for.
No, that much bridesmaids leg like as you basically put the relationship.
Yeah.
Tá groomsman on if that's single, if that's any good to you.
Fair play to you, James. Why who?
Take one of the team.
Take one of the team.
Well.
And not to guard mo could call Caherca.
Ní much ein rud. Listen, my much law was there. I'm not going to new. Ein rud or heartbeat. I'm sure James will consider it. Gan ein rud yenu. But
no.
And you're not much a whole just though. James the child of good fecka
No, because she'd like feed over the tree. So
I didn't have him a good fucking dad, I'm gonna say freaking linear. Jeez Christ.
Come on, James. Listen, this is now the time.
Catch that fucking interested in geriatrics, much as Gary got at this stage, to be honest.
Aww.
You can make you baked oats.
yeah. Who's gonna make the baked oats that James are watching? Kate gonna be in chin and
Pick him up off the floor when he falls off the reformer Pilates machine.
Oh my God. So anything the dog breithlá and chatting shaw or hug and cóisir shaw in inspirage ditch. I guess
well beidir go sin smó ideas do dom bháis mé agus an sort an vibe a bhí an ach ní mis really grí fussy an dom bhela mohim don chéidir im léana to my sort like we mess meet your few gone like birthday drinks of ogum but tá mai con need bheith ogum an Jack and Joe hugging ach it's just not what my gear like it's fee needs such a meh like ish kind of meh do you know ben Keller more an bblin hugging
well he mis dá here in the fui Lee Jake
yeah it's
because ta each on like in EA fee then it's basically like pointless birthdays as in like Neil A like Neil A you're like wow fee shay like Neil
you made it
whoa
yeah Mohim Martian
but and then Nevelin's fee isn't Kin Jarnach's Riv and Kin more so you're like okay like if you just my Irium lum you fall Rayla shot and then Higlum then Vegas so 30th million sugar.
That's crack out there because nar will miss a live she. She can grow my fee a tree. Fee those for a tree.
Oh my God.
Is that right?
Oh my God, yeah.
Hey Brian on nar hossi mo DG car. Bhí me like Lewis na fiadí ar bhfuil me live.
That is actually
Bhí me fi a trí. Yeah. That's crazy. I think those crack out.
I gillian sin then in me
Yeah, because it was a
Luna.
goddamn Sanijek.
No, it's
No, it's
fi
fair.
Was it fi fiha?
Fi stack fi hain. But then does
Okay.
that mean
Bhí me
then
fi a trí fi a cahar. Go sta fi a cahar sin.
so Killian sin then in me Lunasa / me manfover David Jingy Jin pod crew le quick blian.
Jeez.
Sorry, the Sula Harva hitch the moss as kin
Beanie like, will they ever just bloody stop at this stage?
start the can't. Oh my god. Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Movrella. Rinne me cinna go megi where they gonna dhéanamh so tá daoine a chat a nús gunnaghars would go for junior and then hitting the town. Nothing exciting, but you know, béthe as a good. Just le daoine hurt le chéile. Agus, arish, ní hiag le hiú bhain.
Well, look, Sean Ive, Nerta,
when weekend chart show bheagad.
When you're a weekend warrior, Coslam Fain, you fail the main ruddy, you know. Vin tau arm and shafting shot grow dinal ag immer in my like Leah ig a v raising to do it like the Rocha like raw loss and I'd be like oh like a few do even few big dull like but if you're able to actually dull like parking crocky and Jerry shafting shot I can boot didn't know come on the boys come on the fucking boys it's coming home but Sean Ivan is just like ten mage and stuff I will plan out that I just need fair them dull hoku you know it's a pain it's a real pain even feel like in bank holiday that Jack's was in the sure noon like be go fádig go earn sa agus an dónach agus mar hi an ine so no party does it not
just a cralu bio ag an manish like they're just like where they can portable like a kind agus I give her a hand
Áine you set up the mics Vainsa bra says the a Yanu, you know.
Coming to you live from Conde Fire.
But tossing a file kill I give it a hand. I can kill it.
Oh well, of course, yeah. Well, of course, yeah, absolutely. From the woods of Glenpower. I think
Fairytale New York.
I think Carthage and you'll hide the Vanish. I think you should set up a little podcast studio. It's these Cornell.
Come and do a podcast le Chancellor.
And you live episode of the Chancellor at Lahide the Wanish would be hilarious. You're like look Nimagary Einarja a Kaiharm Fain to just Gary Ave just chill you know really you know like Jennyman does Jennyman stuff and that's it whatever hard cut at the Wanish and it's a 45-minute chat and they're in
just really dissect on a
man in a BQ fucking your dad could bump you know dini not taking goelga I should see shot
yeah so Kaima's Lord Finjinger because just really care that we should explain you like Niveen Galar a glossary Lishniesk. They always seem to they never seem to get it more scared. Niveen to
imagine on Instagram like good men just to kick you
Lad of course Larga oh it's so
She not even much like a man, but
maybe
she's like 6 pints deep, so maybe she doesn't get you running. Oh my god, jeez, don't taste you know. Yeah, I'd give that a 10. I'd give just a 10 now. Yes, yeah, that's a good. It's a good fish. Yeah, you want to get that going now.
Oh my god.
Good man.
Tama gaffalesh.
Class.
Absolutely gaffalesh. I think your character Elda the Wanish, Áine. I think that should be your E special to take in
like I'm actually on there.
Yeah.
And my dear Pney and Bana Wuka the Wanish. We're locked in.
Oh my god.
Pashi because of Oran Dingle in the original Ireland.
Oh my
because that's should not repeat I'm so feel hard.
Well
yeah, fucking
no, do you know what? Visha ko doli Bana I'll chin this stakra beyond my other Nakul Megiri and Bana tradition to Vina Banish like Nero Megiri the Neil Diamond covers Nero Megiri hit the diffs and trust me be Lords and a Bani gun then Clar shin and shyness the oku so
really
you make quarter they can like let element better tradition to let go learn to do so akla like beidir a níos nó I'm sure a haní le cilíonn cumáid. Agus da me banna. I don't think a cheart of instantly. Sin go cheart of in a surprise.
Surprise. Okay.
Just very much seo is banna iad a déis mé leis mar fáiste as in Sean Cade album a tugu dumsa agus do jaher agus himuid gur like rock stars bhí an tú. Even though not ceol rocket on ach just himuid gur siad dulcrete.
Tá tóise begin, but
okay, yeah, ní annach banháin agus ag moch an vision.
And you're ag am cearna?
It was gin toaster.
Okay, all right. Okay, Jeremy ag am cearna. All right. 3, 2, 1, Seolin. Oh.
Wait, can there the James?
Polka cat.
That'll be iconic.
Yeah.
There's a níos gura. Seolin.
Yeah.
Ní ro me cohoction or bhí Seolin. Bhí me sa van school or bhí Seolin.
When I hear the album
I don't know Kinner and Minchi Cat albums.
Honey Seolin, honey Clash Lurgan. Bhí sin lig na bhí mit sa van school.
I had no idea Katie for she.
Bhí me like Cara. Guess again. Come on.
No, Gela Áine album by Cahead from a band of Kjol, a Republic Coog Iganam.
Oh yes, of course. Yeah. You're like we booked the Ennis Primary School which had the staff on Gigi and charity single the on like fia bliana and sin gang it got a big shine to give on it. I think Row my sin. Okay.
Tá banished do chreite go bhí agus fusion hain in é don bhana bhar staite Jenny would sort like disco bitter.
Oh yeah.
Like trad disco / pop / cabbé ceol go cilíon agéirí because tá mis sort of iráún banna so session chun bheith gans an seiliste in éisian.
It's still all done, you know.
Yeah.
Lá sogan though, no?
The wink. The wink really sold it. It should.
I don't think my dear I don't think any lad dreams of their wedding day now.
Well, sinna rud come on, mohim like gwain ra bad rep for smack the locker and law, but actually ní an the lads fecal irecht le rud be flannel. The mission ahanr the agru. So of course be carcamek say ogum sir and law. Níl rud a wand into killing go and danger of tege nah.
Show up.
A collie ordu count the hain as the lads nishan dentige. Just grow up.
No, show up.
Show up and grow up before the big day.
Sorry. Oh my god, unbelievable. Absolutely ridiculous. Right, okay. Sheelam Gabe Shanae, I think. Do Harvard get you? I have no idea. Well, I do spire. Okay, James. We practiced and rather than our clock much a show Yanu. La breha hundred, la breha hundred, la breha hundred, la breha hundred.
Our constitution or do Hannah? That's cute.
I don't know. Not an equation anyway.
No.
Rendition or
I think we sang it in tune to Tom Jarnock.
No, I never sing in tune.
No.
Only in Colleen Alling.
Oh,
there's only one tune.
That's actually James one of mine too, so that's the Shinayanuik the Wanish or again Wanish then.
Yeah, I banish Áine ní mú Wanish because you banish you, mom.
No. That's your first answer, Shin. Vision.
I'm just a gigolo. Everywhere I go.
Right, okay. Cut the feed. Sinné den agrat out tá seanslia. Gur mí mai zo bh géisi buzal le bheith arrás, was gaiir muid amsú ar na man hosta tá muid ar seanslia ar Instagram agus seanslia ar YouTube, mas gaiir muid amsú ar Twitter. No, what? I've already so I would chat to Jeremy them. But the great Áine Amsterdam man hosta that you more anywhere Instagram agus anywhere or TikTok, but the great James Amsterdam man hosta that's your more flahar talk or Instagram agus flahar talk or TikTok. That's what the guy Mahane Amsterdam man hosta. More Hugh Carr your Instagram. He's just Grant Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well, Ain Goss Ella, you gonna drop any bombs in this, James? Suller Creek Nimage.
No.
No? James is like Tamak Paiste. Slant! Bye!
So ón agran deile actually reach on hart chuig chundé amacham agus tá
Oh no!
spawns munchin.
Oh, Danny, the mustaches, no!
I was gonna say the hairy babies like
Yeah.
Gilhart or Aaron. Oh my god. Right. When he sold us a cherry shot to get moving to Ross from school, Agadishans.
Love.